There are three constants in life: change, choice, and principles. Allah never empties your hands except to place something better in them. Inshallah, good things are coming. You seriously have no idea what people are dealing with in their personal life, so just be nice. It's that simple. Real happiness does not come from getting everything you want, it comes from sharing what you have with the people who matter. Stop worrying so much and have faith that things will work out. Worrying is a waste of time. Good and bad things will happen in life. You just have to keep living and not stress over what you can't control. The world as we have created, it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Time change, thinking change, people change, we change, but how real you are through that changes always matter. Stop worrying about the things you have lost. Stop fear of losing people. Start accepting the present and the way you are putting impact on it. That's how life works. Stop worrying, start living. Be unstoppable. Focus on the positive, let it go. Stop worrying about the past. Stop thinking about the future. Just live in the moment and be happy. Let's not allow ourselves to be upset by small things we should despise and forget. Remember, life is too short to be little.